Alright, let's talk about shortest common supersequence. So you are using the idea for longest common sequence, and I'm not going to just explain what is longest common sequence, because you can just go on my video to check out the longest common sequence video. So you build a table, list a table, and then you're starting from the right hand corner to the top left corner. So I'm going to explain how it actually works. So here's my screen. So if I have to move, right, I have to compare if my charts are the same. If they are not the same, I have to compare which value is greater. So I move. So if I move up, I need to store the value of row. If I move left, I need to store the value of column. So C and B, right? C and B, they are not equal, so I check 1 or 2. Okay, 2 is greater, 1 smaller, right? So I move up. Before I move up, I need to store the value of row, right? C, A and B, okay, 2. So I store value A. B and B are the same. So when we build a table, we actually add the diagonal value plus 1, right? So we have to move diagonally, and then it doesn't matter which value you add, because B and B are the same, so just add B. Okay, let's check top and left. Okay, actually they are actually the same. A and A are the same, so I have to go diagonal, right? It was actually like that, right? So A. Now you reach the end of the row, but the column is there. I mean, there's still 1 over here because you start from 0, right? So just add the column because you move column to the left. So C, A, B, A, C. Okay, the string looks perfect, but when you build it and we go the backward to the end, to the first beginning, you are adding the string reversely. So you have to reverse the string later on. So I'm going to write my idea on it. So there's my DP, and then here's how the longest common sequence built, and then I have a DP, right? So I'm going to do 3. So my row is my string 1, column is a string 2, right? So this is my index, right? So that will be your indices, right? Now I'm going to say, wow, I greater than 0 and j greater than 0. Okay, what should I do? I should actually check the character, right? Chars are the same now. If string 1 the char at I minus 1 is equal to string 2 the char at j minus 1. There's a reason why I use I minus 1 and j minus 1, because I represent the length of the string, and j represent the length of the string 2, right? And you use the minus 1 to get your last character, last char. So they are the same, so I can just add either one of them, right? So string 1 the char at and minus 1, I minus 1. So I can either add either one of them, right? B or B, right? Because I have to move to diagonal. So when I move to diagonal, I have to subtract the row by 1 and column by 1 to get to this position, right? So I minus minus and j minus minus. Now if they are not the same, I have to check the value, which one is greater, right? Top or left, right? So if dp I minus 1 and j, I'm going to say dp I j minus 1. Okay, I minus 1 represent top, j minus 1 represent left, right? So I can say greater. So if this is greater, then I will say top greater than left. Okay, if this is happening, I move the row up. So I add the char on the row, right? And I know my row value is string 1, so string 1 dot char add I minus 1 and decrement I minus 1 by 1. And exactly the same thing for the j minus 1, right? So append string 2 dot char add at j minus 1, j minus minus. Okay, So when we at this position, right, we still have one character left, so you have to keep adding the remaining. But in this case, I becomes 0, but j is not, right? But we can also have another situation, I is not 0 and j is, right? So just keep appending string 1 dot char I minus 1 and I minus minus. Same idea for the j minus 1. Okay. So I just said, right, when you adding the string back, you're adding the string back reverse, right? So you just have to reverse the string, and then just two string on your string builder, and that will be your answer. And let's see. Alright, I have a typo. Okay, I don't even have a string builder. Okay, string builder. So this is how you add. Sorry, making a mistake. And chart, line 15 chart. And this is chart. Okay, I'm making a lot of mistakes. Chart. Alright, that will be it. sp.append append. Okay, what else? No. Alright, congrats. Oh my god. Cool. So what happened? I should not see j minus 2. Okay, j minus 1. Okay, let's try again. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so the time and space. Okay, for the space is all of m times n, depending on your string, right? M times n, the space on your DP. So all of m times n. I'm going to write down all of m times n. Now for the time, it's all of m times n because you are actually traversing the table, right? From here to here, right? So it's m times n, the worst case of m times n, right? So all of m times n, that would be your worst case, and the solution is much it. And sorry for typo, and let's keep rocking.